Hello guys, today is going to be a very special video that I'm going to talk about how to start your own digital marketing agency. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the important aspects of understanding the skills, of knowing that which skills you require for starting your own digital marketing agency. Then we'll talk about that how you can come up with your own methods of starting your own digital marketing business. So, okay, let's get started. The first thing to remember when starting up your own digital marketing agency is to first understand what digital marketing skills are all about. The first thing you will be knowing before starting out with your own digital marketing agency is all about knowing that you need to master certain skills. Those skills are, first you need to know how to make a video. If you don't know how to make a video, because video has such a live and a most visually affecting side to appeal to your customers through your videos. So make sure that you first understand and make a point that you need to learn certain 1 or 2 video softwares before you get started. Learning a video software is very necessary because it will make you more inducing into while making a video for your customer. If you have a customer who is going to be expecting a video from you, an animated video, a music video, a good ad video which requires an idea that how this video has to be really appealing. You may be having a product of a sari, you may be having a product of a western wear, maybe food shoot, you may require to show that how a recipe is made, maybe how to record him, to understand that how a video is generally made. So you need to learn 1 or 2 softwares. In the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you 1 or 2 videos, what they will be about for videos. The second skill you require is a content marketing skill. You need to understand that basically when you create your own digital marketing agency, you need to require a skill of knowing that how to create a content is the most important aspect of knowing that how this content is really made. So make sure that you make a point of learning what content marketing is all about. Content marketing will make it enabled for your customer how different contents are used in which ways and which platform of social media or on websites. This will help you to create a particular content marketing strategy and a content marketing plan for your customer. Depends on which business he is working on and different kinds of ideas which you will be thinking around when that service has to be offered to him. So do plan about by learning about what content marketing is all about and also understanding that for content marketing you require content marketing strategy. So decide that what content marketing strategy you require. The third thing to understand is to create images. Understand that images are the first step of putting out there through different kinds of ways images are built these days. They can be in animated forms, they can be in photography forms, they can be in different ads forms. These all constitute the idea of what your customer is looking about. It may include certain text, it may include certain images, it may include certain copy. For this, you also need to learn softwares which related to your product which you are going to make for your customer. You need to remember that these points are very necessary to understand. The next one is to know about SEO and SEM. Search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, search engine marketing is the soul and the crux and the big core of digital marketing. Before you decide to start your own digital marketing agency, you need to understand the skill of knowing that how things work online is one of the biggest things and the most important things to understand. Without keywords and without hashtags, you won't be able to create an impact which your customer will be looking around. So make sure you learn what Google SEO is all about, YouTube SEO is all about, and the different algorithms which work out with it. You also need to understand the social media marketing, which includes the search engine optimization of Instagram and Facebook as well. Also LinkedIn and also Twitter, which will be helping to boost your customers into a bigger light. The next thing to remember about acquiring the skills of a digital marketer is to know about that you need to realize that how basically a content strategy planning is all about. You need to create a plan which includes that you create a very strategized plan for your customers first. A marketing plan which includes the 4 P's of marketing, which is product, price, place, promotion. This will include in that plan that you have strategized for him the complete idea and the complete product in the complete marketing way in which your images, your videos and the content that you are going to create is going to spread across the online platforms. So make sure you acquire this skill, which is very important for marketing planning and also utilizing that. The last thing and the foremost thing to understand before for the skills part, that digital marketing agency will be completely based on the foundation of the fact that you have a basic skill of understanding that if you have certain artists or certain graphic designers or certain video creators or photographers in your team, you need to realize first that how you are going to first put out there your plan and your idea when a customer contacts you or you contact a customer. It is very important to understand that what is a pitch, what is the idea, what is something that really is going to matter while you put out there your product and description out there. So make sure that you utilize this idea of the plan and the pitch, which is going to make a very big difference. The next thing is to know about having a data analysis. If you do not have a data to contact your customers, you will not be able to contact a particular kind of niche that you're going to follow. You may be a digital marketing agency, but you need to have an idea, knowledge about different industries. If there is an exporter, you need to understand that what kind of packaging that person will require. You may have to give that in a form of printed form. You may have to come up your images or brochures or the profile that is looking for in a printed form. So you have to adapt to the different kinds and methods by which he is coming on. You have to contact a local printer for that. The next one is to know and get the right data analysis for your customer. Who is going to be your customer? Where are you going to find that customer? Which place are you going to contact him? That's the most important part to note and understand that how data analysis works. I would urge you to learn about data analysis. It's one of the most important things and will help you to go ahead and start building up the skills for your digital marketing things. Now comes the section of how to start your own digital marketing agency. Now, you need to remember certain points that why you should start your own digital marketing agency. Well, first understand that digital marketing is basically a very creative work and you can choose your own industry before you get into that. When you come and start your own digital marketing agency, there are a lot of different aspects and perspectives you give and put into it. The first one is that you put your complete effort into your own passion. You put out there your ideas of working together with a team of creative people. Of course, you cannot create your own digital marketing agency just by yourself. You require the right talent. You need to think about hiring the right talent and the right people. And you need to think that how you are going to hire the right kind of people. Digital marketing agency will enable you to give the right jobs to a lot of people. It will enable you to decide that wow, what kind of creative and the most passionate aspect that it is for you to give out there in the kind of one professional work in a specialized way to your customer. You can decide and create your own niche in that. You can decide the kind of people you want to work with. You can decide that what kind of figures you want to make. This is something really very exciting and very surprising because most people are out there not following their own passion. But if you are learning to start your own digital marketing agency, you need to understand that it's your own child, your own baby. So you need to put out there certain points in mind. So let's get started. How to build your own digital marketing agency. First, you need to put out there what your logo is all about. Based on your logo, your customers are going to follow you. So get out there to build a very good logo with a very exciting colors and a very good brand name for yourself. The brand that you have for yourself, your customer is going to see and contact you for the same reason. So make sure that you choose out for a very good logo for your own digital marketing agency. The second, you need to build your own portfolio. When you have your own portfolio and the kinds of customers that you have worked with, get it through a brochure and get it printed and get it ready to send that across to a lot of people who, on the kind of data you already know, or the kind of customers you have earlier worked with in your previous business. This will help you to get in touch with them, and it will enable you to make them sure that yes, this time the speciality that you work with, the kind of professional aspect, the creative aspect that you put into your work that you put is really very special and is really result oriented. Result oriented as in it creates a kind of brand awareness of your customers to also get that idea that yes, they are going to benefit something through this very creative marketing agency who are contacting us, and through regular and definite plan of the portfolio that you create in your list of your brochure, that is going to define that what your portfolio is going to look like. Educate yourself. Know more and more about the industry that you are going to contact with, you're going to work with. Or I would recommend you to choose a particular industry in which suits you the most. Well, starting your own digital marketing agency is just like a business. You have to have your own kind of idea in the industry that you want to work with. Make sure that you choose your industry properly, which suits your demands and your ideas, which is freely and easily to work with. This will give you an idea that how to go forward with it and how to look forward to giving your customers the right idea and which ways to make his sales go boost. Next one is to remember that have your own social media presence. Without you having your own social media presence, there is no point of showing that you are a digital marketing agency. So make sure that you create your own social media platforms in different channels and pages and even accounts where you will be broadcasting your work and showing people that what is the importance having a good digital marketing agency and how it can solve the problem when there is a problem of less sales and the problem of your customers not having enough idea about what they should do. And that point of time, you come into the picture and help them what to do. So build yourself through a strong social media presence. That's very important. The next one is to remember that you generate leads. You need to first generate leads on your own page or your own website or your own account in which you are promoting yourself. You need to remember that when you are generating leads for your own channel, remember to market yourself first. If you do not market yourself out there, no one is going to know you. So make sure that marketing yourself out there is going to create a very big impact for you to build that presence out there so that your customers can contact you directly through online and do not have the hassles to go individually to every customer. This will create more customer prospect generation for you, and it will then enable you for enough data to contact those customers through emails, through emailers, through chats, through messages, through personal messages, through different networking groups, and this will enable you to get there. Launch your website. Have your own website where you are going to showcase in there what services that you are offering and the kind of specialization that you hold by sharing the same ideas that you share on your portfolio. Get your portfolio out there online on your own website. You can get a one-pager website done, or you can have a particular application being made where the customers can contact you directly through pressing down your services on your application. This will enable him to contact you directly, and you can service him directly through your own online presence of what kind of requirements he has and what you want to get done for him. The last and not the least, build a business model. Business model is very important for you to have because this will showcase in it the right business plan, marketing plan, organizational plan, and the financial plan, which will include in it that how you're going to run your own digital marketing agency. And this is going to require minimum funds to start your own business. Basically, digital marketing is not about just starting your business with your own skills that you have. You also require certain investment to be made. So make sure that you get in the right smaller investment that you are looking forward to. If you require a space for the people that you're going to hire, they'll all require a certain amount of investment to be made. So make sure that you build the right model with the right investment that will determine that what kind of ideas are there out there for you to provide to your customers, who are going to then spread the word of mouth for you to increase your business. So make sure that you also hire the right talent that will enable you to get the right ideas which they are going to receive through you. because it's your own child. Let's build this own digital marketing agency with the idea that wow, it's a very artistic and a passionate approach. Let's get finished here. I'm going to see you in the next videos. If you have any queries, please comment here below and I'll talk with you on a very personalized manner. I'll reply to each one of my fans out there, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in the next video.